Hi guys, this is our fourth lecture in Unit 1 of Calculus. Today we're doing Lesson 1.4, the limit of a function. Here we're represented with an expression for a limit. You see, as limit of x approaches p of f of x equals to L. This means the limit of f of x, this function, as x approaches p, is L. Alternatively, x may approach p from the left side or the right side, in which the limits can be written as limit as x approaches p from the right side. This positive sign on top of p represents x is approaching p from the right side of f of x equals to L. Or limit as x approaches p from the left side, in which this negative sign on top of p means x is approaching p from the left side of f of x equals to L. Let's examine this graph. As x approaches x0, you may notice that the graph is not continuous at x equals to x0. Therefore, when x approaches x0 from the left side, you will get a completely different y value than when you approach x0 from the right side. So the limit as x approaches x0 from the right side does not equal to x approaches x0 from the left side. Therefore, the limit as x approaches x0 does not exist. Here we have table values for sin x over x. We note at the point sin x over x, x is not defined as 0 because the denominator cannot be equal to 0. However, when you look at the graph, as x gets closer and closer to 0, eventually in this table it goes up to 0.01, sin x gets closer and closer to the number 1. Therefore, we say the limit as sin x over x as x approaches 0 equals 1. X approaches 0, comes arbitrarily close to 0, but it never is 0. The limit as x approaches a of f of x can be equal to f of a. In this case, the graph of f of x passes through the point a and f of a. Let's look at a graph for that. Let's suppose this line represents the equation y equals to f of x. When x is equal to a, we can find a point on the graph in which the y value is f of a. If we can, then we say that when x approaches a exists. If limit of x approaches a from the left side of f of x equals L, which is equal to the limit as x approaches a from the right side of f of x, then L is the limit of f of x, and x approaches a. So in conclusion, limit as x approaches a of f of x equals to L. So that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Remember that practice makes perfect, so please do your end of chapter question as well as your assignment and upload them for your teacher to mark. And I'll see you guys next time.